Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Learning Key, the channel where learning English is simple, clear, and enjoyable. I'm Anna.
Hello, Anna. Hello, everyone watching. It feels wonderful to be here today.
It's great to see you, David. How are you doing?
I'm doing very well, thank you. I've got my tea and I'm ready to learn. And you, Anna?
I'm feeling great. I'm especially excited about our topic today.
Ooh, a new topic? What is it?
Today, we're talking about something very important, something that can change the way you learn anything. We're talking about how we think.
How we think? You mean the ideas and feelings in our mind?
Exactly. And there's one big word for this: mindset.
Mindset. Wow, that sounds big.
It does, but the idea is simple. Your mindset is just the way you think and feel about something.
Ah, okay. So if I say English is too hard, that's a mindset?
Yes, perfect example. And English is fun is also a mindset.
I see. So today we're talking about good thinking for learning English.
Exactly. How to change your thinking to change your progress.
Wow, I'm ready. This sounds really useful.
Great. But before we jump in,
Ah, yes, our little request.
everyone watching, if you enjoy our lessons, please take 1 second and tap the like button.
Yes, please do. And if you're new here, welcome. Remember to subscribe to English Learning Key.
And share this episode with a friend who is learning English. Sharing helps us grow.
Thank you so much. Your support means everything.
All right, back to our big topic, mindset, how we think.
You said English is hard is a mindset.
Right, we call this the stuck mindset.
Stuck? What does that mean?
Stuck means you cannot move. You're in one place.
Ah, yes, I feel stuck sometimes. I feel like my English isn't improving.
Yes, that is the stuck mindset. It says, I'm bad at this, or I'll never learn.
Oh, yeah, those are sad thoughts.
They are. And when you think them, you want to give up.
Yes, you want to stop learning.
So the stuck mindset doesn't help us.
No. So what's the better mindset?
The growing mindset.
Growing mindset? Like a plant?
Exactly. A plant grows a little every day.
Okay, I like this. What does a growing mindset say?
The stuck mindset says, I'm bad at this.
And the growing mindset says,
I am learning this.
ah, I am bad versus I am learning.
Yes, it feels different, right?
Very different. I'm bad feels final. I'm learning feels hopeful.
Yes, the growing mindset says, this is new. It's hard, but I can try.
You are such a good teacher, Anna.
Thank you. So, first step, notice your thoughts. Are they stuck or growing?
Okay, but how do I change my thoughts? If I feel like I'm bad, what do I do?
Great question. I have a magic word for you.
A magic word? I love magic.
The word is yet.
Yet. U-Y-E-T?
Yes, yet.
I know that word. It means not now, but maybe later.
Exactly. It means for now. It's a hopeful word.
Okay, how do I use it?
Take a stuck thought. I don't understand.
Oh, I think that in every English movie.
Now add the magic word. I don't understand yet.
Wow, that feels so different.
Right? I don't understand means stop.
But I don't understand yet means I just need more time.
Yes, you're on the journey.
Okay, another example. I can't speak English fluently.
Add the word.
I can't speak English fluently yet.
Perfect! This is fun. I'm learning. I'm not fluent yet.
But you will be. Yet opens the door for the future.
I love that.
Good. That was tip 1. Now, let's talk about mistakes.
Mistakes. Oh, I hate mistakes. Everyone does. When you make a mistake, how do you feel?
Embarrassed, not smart, bad.
Yes, that's the stuck mindset.
So what does the growing mindset say?
The growing mindset loves mistakes.
Loves mistakes? No way. Mistakes are terrible.
No, think of a baby learning to walk.
Oh, my nephew is learning now.
Is he perfect at walking?
No, he falls constantly.
Yes. And when he falls, what do you say?
Good job. Try again.
Exactly. You don't say, "Stop, you're stupid,"
Never.
because he's learning. The fall helps him improve.
Oh, so my English mistakes,
Are part of learning.
I'm like the baby learning to walk.
Yes. Be kind to yourself. When you make a mistake, say, "It's okay. I'm learning."
Mistakes are my friends. Okay, I like that.
Now for the next idea. Learning English is big, like climbing a huge mountain.
Yes, and I'm standing at the bottom, feeling tired.
So here's my tip. Don't look at the top of the mountain.
What? But that's my goal.
Yes, but it's too big. It can make you feel small.
So, what do I look at?
Your feet.
My feet?
Yes, your next step, one small step.
I'm not sure.
Don't say, "I must learn all English today,"
Impossible.
or "I must study for 5 hours."
Too big.
Instead, say, "Today I'll learn 2 new words."
2 words. I can do that. Sun and moon.
Great! Or, "Today I'll listen to 1 English song."
1 song. Easy. 3 minutes.
Or, "Today I'll watch 1 English Learning Key episode."
Perfect choice.
Small steps every day. That's how you change your life.
That reminds me of a story.
Ooh, tell me.
A man wanted to build a big, beautiful wall.
Okay.
He looked at the empty space and thought, too hard. He felt hopeless.
Stuck mindset.
Yes. Then his wise friend came,
Hello, wise friend.
and the friend said, you're right. You can't build a wall.
What?
Then he said, don't build a wall. Lay 1 brick.
1 brick?
Yes. Your job is to lay 1 perfect brick today.
Just 1.
Yes. So he did it. Then 1 more the next day, and another.
And soon he had his big wall.
Exactly. He didn't build a wall. He laid bricks.
Our 2 words, that's a brick.
Our song, that's a brick.
We're not learning all English today.
We're just laying 1 brick.
And one day, we'll look back and see a whole wall.
I feel so motivated.
Me too.
I want to lay a brick.
Yes, that's the growing mindset. Be a little better than yesterday.
It's about the journey.
This was a great conversation.
It really was.
Time flies when you're laying bricks.
True. Let's review our big ideas.
Idea 1. Change stuck thoughts to growing thoughts.
I'm bad is stuck. I'm learning is growing.
Idea 2. Use the magic word, yet.
I'm not good yet.
Idea 3. Mistakes are our friends.
Like falling while learning to walk.
And the bonus idea, don't build a wall, lay 1 brick.
1 small step every day.
Thank you, David.
Thank you, Anna.
And thank you to everyone watching.
We hope you feel excited about learning English.
Remember to subscribe to English Learning Key.
And give this video a like. It really helps us.
And tell us in the comments, what is your 1 brick for today?
Yes, 1 small English action.
Writing a comment is a perfect brick.
We love reading your comments.
Thank you so much for watching.
See you next time, Anna.
Bye, David. Bye, everyone.